a day in my life. So ayun guys, panibagong araw. I sometimes go to library because library is one of the most beautiful place in our school because we gain knowledge and also we gain peace. Hindi lang pagbabasa ang nakasanayan ko, pati na rin ang paglalaro ng iba-ibang klase ng sports like volleyball, basketball, and badminton. After that, ayun, uuwi na naman. Paggaling ko ng school, dumidiretso ko sa court para maglaro ng favorite sports ko, which is basketball. That's all. Thank you.